Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I just finished recording a video and I decided to record another one. So yeah, hi friends. Welcome back to my channel. I am Sylvia and I am a mess. Thanks for tuning in again. Yeah, I don't know. So with all this coronavirus going around, friends, I hope everybody's staying safe. I just want you guys to know that I love you guys and I really hope that you guys are staying safe. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So in this video today, what we are going to do, we are going to unbox some makeup. I do a lot of unboxings and not enough tutorials. You know why? Because I really feel like, as much as I love makeup, I really feel like people are so over makeup tutorials. Maybe I'll just do a lot of get readies with me instead. Like get ready with me Q&A, maybe like get ready with me and talk about life. Maybe let's see. So yeah, I don't know. Let me just stop rambling. So today we are going to be unboxing, friends, some e.l.f. Cosmetics. Oh yeah. Yes, I really love e.l.f. Cosmetics. I finally did an order, well, another order. I had done orders before, but I went and got another order, bitch. I had a lot of orders coming in with this quarantine. You know, shopping has been a thing. So when everything comes in, I can't wait. I have 2 Shein packages coming in, so I'm super excited to be doing a try on haul. I have an Ulta order coming in. I have BH Cosmetics order coming in. What else? I think that's it. But I got orders coming in and I'm super excited. So yeah. So let's go in and unbox this e.l.f. Cosmetics haul that we got. It's elfing amazing. I'm super excited about this. So first thing we got is the Intense Ink eyeliner in Blackest Black. I'm super excited about this because I absolutely love e.l.f. eyeliners. I have the liquid one and it's my favorite. I absolutely love it. So I wanted to try this one out. This is what it looks like. And we're going to go ahead and put that here. And we're just gonna go right here on the tip. I want to see how fine it goes. Oh baby, can I like sign my name? Dang girl, we call sign. This is cute. Yeah, and it's really black. I actually really like this. Next I got the, you already know, everybody was raving about this, so I had to get it, the Poreless Putty Primer. This is in Universal Sheer. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. And so this is the Poreless Putty Primer. I'm gonna open it up and she smells like nothing. But here it is. I'm so excited to try this out. I know a lot of people were comparing it to the Tatcha one. I think it's Silk Canvas or whatever. I want to buy the Silk Canvas one as well. Not to battle it or anything, but just because I want to get the Tatcha one. So yeah, there's that. Next, I got this liquid glitter eyeshadow in Ocean Eyes. So this is, I love this. I like that not only is this blue, but the packaging outside is blue and it's shimmery. I really love that. Because, you know, usually they could just leave it black, but they didn't, which is nice. I actually really like that. So we're going to go ahead and this is the eyeshadow here. We're going to go ahead and swatch it, baby, because you already know we love swatches out here. Ooh. Let's do it right here. Ooh, that's so cute. Let me put it away. That's very pretty. I think this would go great. It has like a little, it's like a little transparent. Like it's not as, I thought it was going to be like super opaque, if that makes sense. But I think if you have like a similar blue underneath and then you put this on top, it would be perfect. I think this is really cute. I'm really excited to try this out. I don't think I own any liquid eyeshadow, so this is actually the first, which is really nice. And I also got, since we're in the mood, I also got the liquid glitter eyeshadow in Disco Queen. This is really exciting. It's a cute silver. Here is the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right underneath. Yeah, this one's transparent. So this one would be beautiful with like as a topper. This is definitely like a topper kind. So the blue, they're both, I feel like they're both toppers. Like they would be better as toppers, but I'm gonna try them alone and then I'm going to try them as a topper. I think I should do that. I'm gonna do that on both of them. I'm really excited to try these out a little more and go into more experimentation with it. Next, I got this Calm Balm hemp derived cannabis sativa conditioning lip balm. So I'm really into lip balm. I absolutely love lip balms, lip oils. This is what it looks like, the packaging. And we're gonna, ooh, it's actually clear. The inside right here, it's clear. Doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, it doesn't have a smell. It smells like absolutely nothing, which is okay. I mean, it doesn't have to have a smell. A conditioning lip balm that nourishes and moisturizes the lips. Apply over lips as often as desired. That's the directions. I got this e.l.f. monochromatic multi-stick in dazzling peony. So this is like, you know, you can use it as applied to eyes, lips, and cheeks to blend with a brush or fingertips. So it's literally just a multi-stick. I can use it as an eyeshadow. I can use it as a lip stain. I could use it as a blush. Doesn't really matter. However I feel like I want to use it. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute and small, and then it's chunky, and she is cute. Look at it. We're gonna go ahead and put her right here. That's cute. It's a beautiful color. I actually really like that. This is such a cute, like, I think I would definitely use this as all three. I'm really excited about this one. I got a cream eyeliner in Punk Purple. So like I said, I've been wanting to get, I've really been wanting to get out of my comfort zone with colors and stuff. So I don't have any colorful eyeliners. So I decided, why not just get this one? And it is so cute. Look at how small. And ooh, it's so pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like glittery on the inside. Got this tinted lip oil in Nude Kiss. Like I said, I really love lip oils, chapstick, lip balms, anything that nourishes your lips. I've been really into. So, ooh, this is thick. I didn't think it was gonna be this thick. the top of it, but this is a Nude Kiss. I'm super excited to try it out. Yeah, I can definitely see the tint, and it smells so good. It smells like it gives me like a toffee flavor. Does that make sense? Like, it smells like candy. This is cute. I think I'm definitely gonna be using this, especially now the summer's coming, girl. You already know you gotta look super cute or whatever. So I actually really like this. I definitely recommend this. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is only like $4. So love me some face oils. I got the e.l.f. All the Feels facial oil, hemp derived cannabis sativa. So this is in the cannabis collection with the lip balm, and it's a nourishing face oil. And this is what it looks like. Here's the bottle. This is actually really big. I can't remember how much this cost. But everything that I'm showing off, I'm going to leave it down in the description box so you guys can check it out yourself, see the prices, and you guys can definitely, if you guys think you guys want to try it out, you can definitely try it. I'll have the links down below. So this is a lightweight, nourishing face oil that conditions and replenishes the skin. Apply a few drops onto your skin and gently pat your face to encourage absorption. Mix into your foundation or skincare products for added moisture and radiance. So I'm excited to try this out and see just how everything works, guys. I love trying new things, and this is just something else I'm so excited about. So can't wait to try this. And last but not least, girl, we got, this is the e.l.f. Glow Dewy Mist. So this I'm really excited about. This is coconut and argan oil. It is cocoa infused mist, hydrates and boosts glow. So you can use this as like just right now, if I'm really hot, I could just use it on my skin, and it will just make me feel refreshed and a little bit, you know, and it'll give me like a glowy, cute look. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Ready? Do I look glowy? Ooh, in this light, I look glowy, you see? All right. Coconut, lavender, and I think vanilla are like my favorite scents. Love it. And this coconut water infused facial mist hydrates and refreshes your makeup, leaving your skin with a dewy glow. Hydrating ingredients, hyaluronic acid and argan oil help plump and nourish the skin. So this is shake gently, hold the bottle several inches from your face and spray a light layer of mist over your makeup or your bare skin with eyes closed. Layer or continue to spray throughout the day as desired. So this is really exciting to use in general. It smells really good. I can use it. You can use it as like a prepper, as a setting spray. I mean, you could use it as just a, hey, my makeup's looking a little cakey, let me hydrate myself. But this is the e.l.f. Plus Dewy Skin Mist. Is my haul, friends. Can you guys tell that I'm really bad at doing videos because I don't know what to say anymore? So yes, thank you guys for watching my video. I will leave everything that I showed off here in this video down below in the link in the description box, along with all of my social medias, Twitters, Snapchats, Instagrams, whatever you want to follow me on. I will leave it down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Yeah, I don't know, that's the end of this video, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. And if you're new, hello, my name is Sylvia and I'm a mess, and I'm happy to be your friend. So thank you for watching, and I don't know, I guess see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.